All right, guys, this is another day that is snowing. As you guys can see, Enzo, come on, buddy. We have Enzo right there, and look how bad it is outside, guys. It just started too. So yeah, another snowstorm, guys. I will keep you guys updated on how bad this storm is. As you can see, look at Enzo's little footsteps. Come on, Enzo. Come on, buddy. What are you doing under there? Let's go. And I'll keep you guys updated. Bro, look at how it looks now. It is packed out here. Look at this. God damn it. This is the results, guys. Look what's going on, guys. We're in the storm right now. As you guys can see. Currently, we're going super slow. It's crazy out here, guys. We just picked up Alea from her grandma's house. Now, on the way home. Bow. Plows, guys. They plowing. I'm worse than News 12, guys. No lie.